Here's how I use ChatGPT to stay organized every single day. The first thing is in the morning, I don't check my phone. I put my phone on do not disturb. I don't want to see messages, notifications, and then I just head out. I just wake up first in the morning. I just go outside for a walk. Walking has been shown to give you new ideas, get some fresh air, get some vitamin D, and during my walk, I start getting ideas for what I want to do. I start processing things. Sometimes I wait until I get back from my walk and then I open my phone and open ChatGPT. But because I'm with my phone on Do Not Disturb, if it's something I know is critical at that moment, I open ChatGPT and I just brain dump. So I go with the voice transcription feature. I just start talking about everything, the idea, the insights, whatever it is. It could be things I want to get done that day. I just dump it all in ChatGPT. When I get back after my shower or my morning routine and I'm ready for deep work, I start writing down the most important things I want to get done that day. So it's almost like a brain dump. I'm building my to-do list app connected with AI. So this is what I'm using to just write down my tasks, everything important to me that day. As I'm working, because ChatGPT knows my goals, I take my screenshots of my to-do list, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it what is the most important thing to get done, knowing what my goal is. My goal right now is more revenue, to lose weight, better health. So it looks at my task list and can kind of suggest the most important thing to get done. Usually it's correct, and I pick this thing and make sure that that is done. So I don't try to do every single thing on my to-do list. I try to do the most important thing that's going to move the needle forward. Later in the day, before I'm winding down, before I just want to go into my hobbies or have fun or I'm done with work, I go back to ChatGPT and say what I actually did that day. And what I do is make sure that at the end of the day, I tell it what I actually did that day. So this is just to build a repository of tasks that I've gotten done that day. Then over a week of doing this, it knows what's most important to me. It looks at my completed tasks. I give ChatGPT this prompt. So over the last week, these have been show me my completed task, show me my goals, and show me a more efficient way of working towards my goals. So continuing this loop of telling ChatGPT what you intend to do, telling it what you actually did, telling it what are the gaps between what I'm doing and my goal, you can find the most efficient way to work every single day. I hope you got something for this video. See you in the next one.